So it's impossible to compress a whole entire album into one fucking beat. So I just decided to make this tutorial based on track 1. I don't know what the fuck it's called. So we're gonna start by looking at the melody on this bitch. I just copied and pasted the melody like I always do, and you guys make fun of me for doing it. So that's it for the melody part and the bass line. As you can see, I made this shit on Citrus like the last beat. I think the Citrus is good for making good bass sounds easily and quickly and shit. That's alright. Next we're gonna look at the fucking drums, which I got from a Clams Casino drum kit that I just downloaded on the internet, and I highly doubt they're real samples from him. So on track 1, most of the drums sounded like they had some type of low pass filter shit, so I kinda added it to like all the drums. I just made it with Love Filter. We're gonna check out how they sound with and without it. Alright, and after you put a shit ton of effects on it, this is what it sounds like. Anyways, that's it for today's video. It's kinda just filler, but whatever, I don't give a shit anyways. Alright, that's a nice way to end it.